Hello Scorpio, this is Cindy and welcome to Among Angels with Cindy. This is your general reading for the week of May 15th through May 21st, 2017. I would like to thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And also I would like to welcome the new friends that have tuned into this channel. Also, if you would like to order a personal reading or if you want to give your support to this channel, visit my website amongangelswithcindy.com. And if you prefer to receive your personal reading with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, please specify with your order. Okay, and also remember that some of the messages, Scorpio, will not resonate with you. So now let's go into your reading. Okay, Scorpio, as you can see, I'm using the same deck from last week, which is the Archangel Paro Tarot deck by Doreen Virtue and Radleigh Valentine. And also I pulled out a oracle card deck for you for the week from the Enchanted Map from Colette Baron-Reid. So for the beginning of the week, you have the Three of Ariel, okay? And threes are about creativity, okay, and growth and self-expression, okay? And the Suit of Ariel is about your material world, okay? It represents also, it deals with daily part of living, including including your physical health, pursuing your education and careers. Ariel is about manifestation. She's about love of animals and the environment, okay? And here the card is letting you know, the angels want you to know, Scorpio, to tap into your creativity, okay? Or if you're thinking of opening your own business, or going back to a project that you left behind a while back and you want to come back to it, it's a good time to do so. And you don't have to be doing something creative. You can also be working in the corporate world, but you can bring your creativity into a project that you're working with your co-workers. It's a good time to bring your creativity, okay? And that will bring about a lot of celebration, okay, within your material world and your finances and and your daily life. The message here is do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career and artistic endeavors. Working with others in a cooperative manner, okay? So it's it's not only about working on a creative project. You can bring you're working on a report and you can bring creativity to that project, okay? And now we go into the middle of the week and you have the King of Michael, and kings are usually represent you, and you don't have to be a man. You can also be a woman that is representing that's showing being a king, okay? And the Suit of Michael is about your intellect, okay? It represents the ability to think your way clear out of your challenges and to soar to new heights of brilliance. It's about communication, speaking your truth, and freeing yourself of illusions of being trapped, Scorpio, okay? So this card is telling you that the path is clear for you to go through, to start moving forward. Do not procrastinate, okay? The path is clearly open for you, okay? The message here is wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity. A situation that calls for honest and open communication, okay? So communicate your ideas, your thoughts, your beliefs to others so that they can understand where you're coming from, and so that you can keep moving forward, okay? Do not hold yourself back, okay? And now we go into the weekend and you have another three, okay? And it's the Three of Michael, okay? This card is about forgiving yourself. You have done nothing wrong. You did the best you can in any situation that you find yourself this week, okay? So be compassionate and gentle towards yourself. You have done nothing wrong, okay? You've done the best that you could, okay? And so just be gentle and compassionate throughout towards the end of the week. The message here is release the past. You will grow from this situation. Time to heal all wounds, okay? So just be gentle with yourself, be understanding, and know that you have done your best, and you will always do your best. You will always try to do your best, okay? Okay, Scorpio, so now the oracle card for you is card number 9, and when I show it to you, just make sure you pay attention to it and see what are the specific message that comes to you. What is the first thought, idea, feeling, belief that comes to you, and that is your personal message. Okay, so the message here for storm fields is that you know, if you're not seeing, you know, your path right now at this moment, you know, try to clear your path, okay? Because your path is wide open, and things that are coming through and are falling or moving away, it's a reason. This is it's a reason why it's moving away from you, okay? And just know, you know, the specific message from this card and the specific message for the week for you to think about is to know that this too shall pass, okay? So remember, if you're feeling this way throughout the weekend, just remember that this too shall pass, okay? And be gentle with yourself. You've done your best, and always know that you're always surrounded by beauty, okay? And you're always surrounded by what you really need in life. Okay, Scorpio, I hope you enjoyed this reading and that it will help you in some way throughout your week, and that you have a wonderful week. And Scorpio, sending you lots of love.